Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how to fix OmeTV app camera not working on iPhone after update iOS. Now let's start the video. Solution number 1, reset screen time restriction. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll up, click on screen time. On the screen time page, scroll up, click on content and privacy restriction. On the restriction page, turn on content and privacy restriction. Click on allow apps. On the allow app page, ensure both camera and microphone are allowed. Go back setting page. Click on privacy and security. See if OmeTV appears now. Solution number 2, reset network setting. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll up, click on general. On the general page, scroll up, click on transfer reset iPhone. Click reset network setting. Enter your phone passcode. Again reset network setting in the pop-up window to confirm this process. Solution number 3, force restart your iPhone. Quickly press and release the volume up button. Quickly press and release the volume down button. Press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. Thanks for watching this video.